XRP Ripple investors, this is the sad truth about America. We are never going back to normal again. With that said, hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple Price. This is DC Trading. We do have some news to go over, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple Price. Let's start off with some news. Yes, this is the sad truth. Vladimir Putin, Russia's president, says US de-dollarization is irreversible. We're never going back to normal. What do I mean? Well, guys, their main goal is to de-dollarize. They're trying to crash the US dollar. We understand that. We also understand they will not be able to crash it to zero, but it will get worse, and we're going to see a lot of side effects from BRICS Nation. If we take a look right here, we understand this new currency, when they do announce this, it will be on the blockchain. It will be a CBDC, a digital currency. We understand that. Look at the map right here. We can clearly see in the East, they are embracing CBDCs. This is the sad truth. This is going to force America to eventually transition to the new financial system. We're going to be the last country to do so. Why? Because we're going to see the downfall of the US dollar, meaning it is going to drop. It's going to lose a lot of dominance. And because of that, the only way to compete is to transition to the new system, which is blockchain technology, CBDCs. That's the sad truth. And we need to prepare, because soon the globe will be cashless. Meaning everything will be on the internet. Everything will be a digital currency. Do you understand? Cash and a digital dollar is not the same. Cash, you will not be able to track. Digital dollar, you are able to track. Also, they can freeze or reduce your funds. Big difference, guys. We are definitely having a new currency, and you guys need to prepare for that. With that being said, we do have some, good news from the XRP Ripple Price. If we take a look at the charts, what do we see here? Well, since dropping all the way down to 42 cents, we have kept the price pretty steady around 52, 53, 52 cents. And it looks like eventually we are going to see a big move from the crypto market. What do we have to pay attention to? Well, if we take a look at the Bitcoin price, what do we see right here? What do we see? Well, earlier today, we saw the price of Bitcoin jump all the way up to 26,750. I expect either by this week or next week to get a big move by the Bitcoin price. If we take a look over here at the HTF liquidity for Bitcoin, it looks like the bulls are starting to take control. They're feeling more confident because we are not testing 25,000. Yes, we did drop to 25,300, but we could not go any lower, which is a good sign. If we take a look at the RSI on the daily time frame, what else do we see? We were oversold. So now it looks like there's a good chance we can see a Bitcoin pump very, very soon. Hopefully we can get to 27,000. As you guys know, 27,000 is a key resistance level that we need to break through. If we do by this week or next week, that's going to be a green light for the XRP Ripple Price, meaning we're going to jump all the way back up to 55 cents and break through this. If we take a look at the MACD on the daily time frame, it is telling us to sell, but taking a look at the selling pressure, it has lowered. It's been very, very boring. This is good, guys. This is amazing. If we take a look at the weekly time frame, yes, this is bad. Looking on the weekly, just formed a red dot telling us to sell on the weekly time frame. If we take a look at Bitcoin, also telling us to sell on the weekly time frame, but it is still very early. We have this week and next week to see what Bitcoin decides to do, because whatever it decides to do, XRP price will follow. So please pay attention. I expect it to be very boring. We're going to be stuck probably between 55 cents and 50 cents for quite a while until Bitcoin makes a big move. If we take a look at the DXY, yes, on the weekly time frame, we are seeing a red candle form. It did wick all the way up to 103.9, struggling, dropping back down. So we do have some resistance. It is getting weaker, and hopefully we see some more downside from the US dollar as the weeks go on, which would be good news for the XRP Ripple price. Taking a look at the S&P 500, yes, we are seeing a green candle. It's still very early. Right here, looking at the weekly, it is telling us to sell, just formed as well. And as for the DXY, it is telling us to buy. We're still very early, guys. This is just the beginning. Please do not, start trying to enter trades right now. It's not a good time. We have to see a big move first. We have to see Bitcoin break through 27,000 and close a daily candle above 27,000. And then from there, we need to see a weekly candle close above 27,000 for Bitcoin. And then we'll start seeing higher prices for XRP Ripple. That's just the truth. As of right now, we're going to be stuck between 55 and 50 cents until Bitcoin decides to make a big move. In the meantime, understand the sad truth is we are transitioning to a new financial system. Obviously, we are way behind because we're still relying on the US dollar. It's too dominant right now. So why would we want to transition? They're just going to wait. But as we wait, we're going to see a lot of side effects from BRICS Nation. As you guys know, Putin said the US de-dollarization is irreversible. They're not going back. Right? Their goal right now is to become less dependent on the US dollar. So everything they do, every move they make is going to be strategic. So obviously, it's not going to zero. It's not going to crash the US dollar to zero, but we're going to see a lot of side effects, inflation, economy struggling, maybe WAR, which is going to affect us. This is why we need to take BRICS Nation very serious. Obviously, it's not going to zero. We understand that. But with that being said, that's all I have for today. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. If you made it this far, comment the number 43. Peace.